Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers, nice bit of kit. Okay, this is your club style FXR, whatever you want to call it, fairing. Like your FXRT, but a smaller version. Okay, got a headlight protector, very cool. This one here is dark tint, we also do a clear. As you can see, thick stuff. This isn't the usual cheap shit. Very nicely made, nice paint job, not just moulded, it's a proper paint looking at this. As you can see from the back, serious bit of kit. Very solid steel. Got to be, what, 4 or 5, I'd say 4 or 5 mil thick, way over an eighth. And as you can see here, nice rubber mount goes around the headlight, 5 3/4 mount, which is removable. And this is all bolted on. So you're not looking at a pre-molded piece of Chinese junk like most of them are, okay? Very, very well made thing. And that, obviously, the shape was designed to deflect the wind round you. You know, these little gizmos here, like the FXRT. This is also what they know as a club style fairing, or whatever you want to call it. But very cool bit of kit, fraction the price of a second-hand FXR fairing, which is going to cost you about 2.5, 3.5 grand. Also, this system does mount the original Harley mount. So if you've got a quick release kit, the part numbers are in our ad. Genuine Harley quick release kit or mounting kit. This will actually mount straight to it, so you don't even have to fabricate anything. If you're interested, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. FXR parts, dyno parts, whatever you like, you know, baggers, we do them all. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Give yourself a treat with a Macma check swinging arm and a spherical bearing kit too. Thank you.